Alright guys, the final piece that we were waiting for arrived today. It's pretty big. It's the Corsair 600T case. Give you a look at the box here and to give you an idea how big this is. Let me find something to measure it up against. You can see the companion cube from the previous videos has been stacked up against the box here. So let's get started. I'm going to pull it out and we'll resume. Okay, hopefully you're able to see it now. Okay. So we'll just open it up here. It's got our little opening side door. And looks like there's a couple box of goodies in here. So let's see what we got here. Looks like the window is interchangeable for a mesh, which has fan slots on them, and it comes with a bunch of fan screws. It does look like we're missing. Oh, nope, here it is. The front plate is actually a dust filter, so that's a nice little feature. Yeah, that's removable so you can clean it. And it's got kind of a filter there. 240 millimeter fan, I believe, in the front. Also at the top, you can have the same air filter and another 240 millimeter fan. We're actually going to take this fan off and we're going to put our radiator right here from the water cooling with the two fans blowing up, draw all the heat out. Up here we got, this is not volume actually, this is for the fans. So you can adjust them manually or you can have the motherboard do it. You got your two headphone inputs, 4 USB 2.0s, 1 USB 3.0, Firewire, power, that lights up, reset. There's the front profile again. Inside we have a toolless design for drives. Same thing down here, toolless design. These come out, your hard drives pretty much like snap right in here, push it back in. In the back there's another fan here. Has water cooling tube grommets in case you have some sort of external system. The power supply goes on the bottom so they can bring air in and right back out the back. There is a, looks like an SSD bracket right here if you wanted to put more SSDs down here. And there is a CPU retention plate hole, meaning you can change the heatsink without having to take the motherboard out. So that's a nice feature. We won't be needing it, but it's just a good case. Has little wire grommets so you can route all your cables and stuff behind here so they're not seen. And that's pretty much it. I mean, the fit and finish is just absolutely top notch. Turn it around so you can see the back. There's the side. These are removable as well. So you can give it back to your cable management. Notice how mostly all the cables are already back here already. The thing about this case was when we got it, it was on sale for probably like $80 off. It's back up to $200, but it was $120. But it's a top-notch cooling case, so we definitely needed to keep everything nice and cool. All right. Next, we'll get to putting it together.